A lot of us do not know. There was a time about 10 years ago when our GDP was very low. GDP is our gross domestic product. As at this time, the non-food efforts were not factored into our GDP. And somebody raised this matter. And when the efforts of Nollywood was taken into consideration, Nigeria had to beat a lot of African countries.
My next plan is not to take the award to the chef, it's to work with it. Because when somebody is rewarded for the work she or he has done, it means you have to do more. So my plan next is to do more work so that I will be seen more often.
Well, my next plan is to do more so that I'll get a Grammy Award.
Golden Award has an aim and objective. We are working to bring the unity of movie Africa practitioners together. We are working towards the unity, towards the oneness of movie practitioners in the entire Africa.
Keep the good work they are doing. What makes them to get that award? Everybody will be hands on deck to do good things. Live life that you will emulate others. Use the opportunity you have to lift the next privilege.
Encourage him, encourage the organizers to continue, because events like this make some of us to be seen. So you never can tell tomorrow who can come on this kind of event and what can happen.